Hi! For today's video, we will be talking about how to fix Counter-Strike 2 unable to establish connection with game server. I got 3 easy steps for you to follow to check if it's gonna fix the issue. So let's start with the first one. We're gonna reset our internet connection. So for us to do that, from your search bar, type in command prompt. Since I already got right here, I'm gonna just click on it. We're gonna reset our internet connection. For us to do that, just type in ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Just hit enter. The next words we'll be needing to type in is netsh space winsock. It's winsock, and then reset, then hit enter. Next, finally type in netsh space int space ip space reset, then hit enter. If you think I'm too fast, you can actually just pause the video, just write in or just copy paste what I'm actually um, typing. So you'll have a copy of it. So there you go. So after these, we will be normally restarting our PC or our laptop, but I'll be doing that at the end of the solution. Now, once we're done with resetting our internet, we're gonna clear cache. For us to do that, type in run, R-U-N. I already have it here, so let me just click on it. Once we have these, we'll be typing in percentage local app data and then percentage and then hit OK. Now this will pop up and we'll be needing to look for temp, T-E-M-P. There you go, double click on temp. Select all the files here from the folder. Let's Control A. Then we will be needing to delete. Now this will pop up. There you go. This will pop up. All you gotta do is just click or put a check mark on do this for all current items, then hit skip. Once that's done, we can finally clean our Steam's download cache files. Let me close this page and let me open up my Steam. All right, now once this is up, we will be needing to make sure. So after, while I'm waiting for my Steam to load up, we will be needing to make sure to restart the PC or your laptop or the device you're using before logging in again on Steam. Why is my Steam taking time to load? There you go. Let me just type it. Let me just log in on mine first. There we have it. So for us to clear Steam's clear cache from this page, from the home page of Steam, upper left hand side, click on Steam and then settings, then look for downloads, then click on this one, clear cache, then just hit confirm. Again, like what I've mentioned earlier, you will be needing to restart your PC before logging in again and trying the game. Now, if that first solution did not work, let's go to the second one. Second one is changing your DNS address. Now, for us to do that, by the way, we are actually doing this because the normal problem that might cause this error is our internet connection. That's why we will try to solve the problem by changing the DNS. So for us to do that, go to the search section and look for control panel. There you go. That's control panel right there. Go to internet, network and internet, then network and sharing center. Then from here, this is my internet connection. So what I'm gonna do is just double click, then go to properties. And then from here, we need to look for Internet Protocol version 4. There you go, just double click on it. And from this page, click on use the following DNS server address. For the preferred DNS servers, type in 888888. Then from the alternate DNS server, type in 8844. Then just hit OK. Then try to check if it's going to resolve the problem. Alright, so those are the two solutions that I got for you guys. But just in case that still didn't work, don't you worry because I have one more left to do. we need to reinstall Steam without deleting its games. Now, for just to let you know, it often resolves nearly all issues encountered with Steam. So you can actually try this not just with Counter Strike 2, but all other games that you're encountering. The error unable to establish connection with game server. Okay, so first, open up your file explorer, which I have mine right here. Now, from here, go to this PC. Then you need to go to the drive where you downloaded Steam. Mine, I got it at local disk C. Then go to program files times 86. Then look for Steam. Got it right here. Now a lot is going on right here, but all you gotta do is delete everything, but keep three things. That's Steam apps, user data, and steam.exe. All right, so let me do mine right here. All right, so there you go. I only got Steam apps, user data, and steam.exe. Forget about the .old on mine, but I'm not really sure why it's there. But there. It will actually perform an update and it will download the file that it needs again. Now, all you got to do is log into your account and try the game. So that's it. Hope all those three help you today, and bye for now.